Grow your business with weekly remarkable offers plus automated SMS text follow-up. As an entrepreneur, growing your business comes down to two essentials: creating remarkable offers people actually want and consistently putting them in front of the right audience. That's exactly what our marketing and permission-based follow-up service is designed to do. Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. Here's where we come in. We make it simple. Each week, we help you create a short, compelling video that highlights a clear, irresistible offer. You share it on social media to grow your audience, and we deliver it directly to your opted-in, financially qualified contacts via SMS texts. The result? More visibility, higher quality leads, and better conversions. When your clients are ready to act, you're the first business they think of. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create weekly offers for social media. Each week, we help you craft a short video that communicates your remarkable offer clearly and effectively. Post it to attract subscribers and grow your audience. Step 2. Send offers by SMS texts. That same short video is delivered as a weekly SMS text to contacts who are financially qualified and opted in to hear from you. This two-part system grows your audience while keeping you in front of the right people, week after week. When your clients are ready, you're the first business they think of. After we go over our simple risk-free agreement, we will go over more about what the quarterly fee covers. This is an annual agreement, billed in 4 flat quarterly payments, and not tied to referrals, sales, or commissions. 30-day free trial, no payment, no credit card required, and you can cancel anytime in the first 30 days if it's not a fit. Delayed payment option plus 100% success guarantee. After 30 days, if you continue, your annual agreement becomes active, but you can delay your first quarterly payment. Why? We want you to experience the system before paying. Our 100% success guarantee ensures that if you don't see measurable results within 90 days, we'll continue providing our services at no extra cost until you do. If results still don't happen, the agreement simply ends, no payment required. Simple and risk-free. Your options going forward after 90 days. Once you've made your first quarterly payment, you're in control. You can continue to the next quarter or cancel, no hard feelings, and we part as friends. Why it works. The flat quarterly fee covers our marketing, follow-up support, and software. This is not a referral fee, revenue share, or pay-per-client arrangement. It's a system designed to improve lead conversion with permission-based follow-up, helping you close clients more effectively. With our performance guarantee, if you don't close a client in 90 days, we keep working for free until you do, or the agreement simply ends with no payment required. We help businesses create a remarkable weekly offer using short social media videos. Each week, we research top-performing videos in your niche to identify hooks, formats, and topics that grab attention. We help you turn those insights into a short, actionable video script that highlights your offer. Your quarterly fee covers marketing, follow-up support, and software. This is not a referral fee, revenue share, or pay-per-client arrangement. It's a system designed to improve lead conversion using permission-based follow-up, helping you close clients more effectively. How we create your weekly remarkable offer. Research top-performing videos in your niche. We identify hooks, formats, and topics that grab attention. Turn insights into actionable scripts. We provide short, clear scripts highlighting your offer. Post and send. We post the video to your social media channel and deliver it via SMS texts to your opted-in, financially qualified contacts, 52 times per year. Script support and review. You review content before posting. We provide guidance for recording and editing, ensuring each video is engaging and professional. This combination of social posts plus permission-based SMS text follow-up makes each weekly offer a powerful growth tool. It builds visibility, strengthens referrals, and improves lead conversion. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Ready to see how fast you can grow? Take our free quiz to discover the best way to grow your business faster. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click the quiz button, or go directly to humanbrainbox.com/quiz. After completing it, a marketing success manager will reach out to help you achieve your marketing and follow-up goals. Let us help you get a client. This is exactly what we coach inside our 10-day challenge. When you sign up through Human Brainbox, we won't just give you the Go high-level software, we'll help you build a real process around it. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client-getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.